Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can integrate Beehiiv with System IO. So this lets you automate subscriber management and marketing workflows across platforms. So the first thing that you have to do is of course make sure that you have a plan already or your account is already set up so that you will be able to access all of its features. And then once you're logged in, you will just have to go to integration section and then you will click system.io and then you will click copy API key. And in system.io, you will just have to go to your settings and then you will click integrations again and then you will click Beehiiv and paste API key. And then go ahead and click connect. Map subscriber list and automation triggers and then you will click save. And after all that, you will just have to test by adding a new subscriber and verify it appears in both systems. And by the way, you should always double check list mapping to avoid sending duplicate or misdirected emails. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.